In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the messaging feature of Hypercare. Keep in mind that this is on the iPhone and the interface for Android might differ slightly, but all the features are more or less the same. So there are 5 different features on the bottom toolbar. There's chats, which is the page I'm on now. There's locating, contacts, tasks, and settings. So today we're going to be looking at chats. So on this page, you can see I have all my chats, whether it's group chats or one-on-one chats, are all going to be on this page. On the top right corner, you'll see a pad and a pen. And if you press that, that gives you the ability to either start a one-on-one message, or you can select multiple people to start a group chat. So let's start a group chat. I'm going to put James Bond, Kim Briggs, and John Carter. So if you look at the top right where it says start, there's a little number 3 there. And what that 3 means, it just means that there are 3 people currently selected to be in the group. So you press start, and then that starts your group chat. So in order to change the settings, all you have to do is click the names at the top. So John, Kim, plus 1 people. Click that, and that'll bring you to your chat settings. So from here, you can add new members. So I can add a member by clicking add members. Let's say I want to add Dennis Barkman, and then I press the start. Now Dennis is in the group. I can also remove members. So I can click on James Bond, press remove member, and they're removed. I also have the option of making someone else an admin. So let's say I want to make Kim Briggs an admin. I can click on her, and then press make admin. And now Kim and I are both admins. You can also change the notifications. You can either turn them off or on. And you can also search in the conversation. So if you want to search up any keywords, you can just simply search it up and it'll filter the results. Finally, you can edit the name of the chat by clicking on that John, Kim, plus 1 people. So we'll change this to patient Jane, and then just press done at the top right corner. Okay, so now your group has been created. There's several things that you can do in this group and on any one-on-one chat. So if you click the plus at the bottom left corner, you have the option of opening a camera. You can take a picture, press use the photo and send it to the group. You can also choose a photo from your gallery. You can also send documents, so this can be Word files, Excel files, PDFs, really any document that you'd like. And then you can also send consults. So in consults, you would just put in the medical record number, the first name, last name, and then any details. So we'll do this for Jane Hills, and we'll say that possible broken arm. And then you can send that. So once you've submitted it, everyone in that group can see that consult and they can click on it to view more details. Another thing that you can do is send priority messages by clicking this little exclamation mark at the bottom here. When it turns yellow, that means you'll be sending a stat message. So I can say urgent. And what this does, it bypasses the receiver's do not disturb and silent mode. So let's go to a one-on-one chat. I'm going to start a one-on-one chat with Brandon Rowe. And see how it says 1 in the top corner? That means I'm starting a chat with just one other person. So I'll press start. I can send him a message, say hello. While we're waiting for him to respond, we'll look at the top right corner. There's a little phone symbol, and what you can do is you can click it, and that gives you the option to call Brandon. You can also click the pager, and what this does, it sends an SMS message to Brandon's phone, so you make sure you leave a callback number, and then Brandon can call back at the number that you leave. So something else that you can do is if you hold down onto a message, so let's hold down on the hello, it'll pop up with these two things, and you can press message detail. So from here you can see when the message was read and who it was read by, and you can also see if the message was delivered and when it was delivered. So we can see that the message was delivered to Brandon at 9:27 p.m. and it was read by Brandon at 9:27 p.m. So we know that the message was successfully delivered and read. So another thing that you can do is at the top left corner, there's this little green circle with available next to it. You can click that, and that allows you to change your status. So if we change our status to busy or unavailable, so let's change it to unavailable, and I can say on vacation. This lets other people know that I'm not available at the moment, and what I can do is I can set an alternate contact. So I just click there and I'll set Dennis Barkman as my alternate contact. And what this does, it just allows the person who's trying to start a chat with me, it just lets them know that they will be contacting Dennis instead because I'm unavailable.